New Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.
Introducing the Bissell Symphony. It's the revolutionary floor cleaner that vacuums and steam mops at the same time. Now you don't have to compromise. You get excellent vacuum performance and excellent steam mop performance. Look at how the Symphony vacuums up this mess better than this expensive Dyson. And here you can see how the Symphony gives you superior cleaning power over the Shark Steam Mop. And unlike other machines that require you to go through 2 steps, the Symphony vacuums and steam mops at the same time. It's the only one that's all in one. Plus, the Symphony's steam eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria without using any harmful chemicals. So now you can get rid of all these other tools because you can get it all with the Symphony. Use high steam for vinyl, linoleum, tile, and those really tough sticky messes. Use low steam for sealed hardwoods, laminates, and everyday messes and cleaning. The microfiber mop pads have microband protection to keep them fresher and cleaner, while the easy-release mop pad tray makes it so simple to change pads. And of course, they're reusable. Just throw them in the wash so you can use them over and over again. Our dry tank technology keeps moisture out of the dust cup, and it's so easy to empty. The adjustable handle makes the Symphony easy to use and store. And at just 10.5 pounds with an extra long cord, the Symphony easily goes anywhere in your home. So if you're using a broom or a stick vac, if you're using a mop and bucket or a steam mop, if you're looking for a faster, more convenient way to get your floors barefoot clean, you need to get a Symphony.
The Shark Navigator Liftaway Pro is a versatile vacuum that tackles everything from carpets and hard floors to hard-to-reach areas, furniture, and places above the floor. The cleaning pod easily detaches from the floor nozzle to give you a lightweight solution for cleaning with accessories on stairs and other areas around your home. For a thorough clean on hard floors, use the included Dust Away attachment, which combines powerful suction with a microfiber pad to pick up fine dust and large debris on tile, wood, and more.
If you're interested in buying one of this product, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment, and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.